here's my project this afternoon. Pulling some friends out. We cleared this ground last year. Basically, everywhere we're setting out over its disc. And they got off in a stump hole. It's been really wet this spring. I'm thinking the tractor can drive out. And then I'll pull his accelerator out of the mud on hard ground and we'll hook him back up and he'll be good to go. Videoed in a day or two. We're cleaning out a pond. It's a real mud hole. We started off, we finally got in it, the mud was about 8 feet deep down here at the bottom end. It's getting better as we get away from the dam. I'm assuming it's still 5 foot deep out there. Hopefully it gets a lot less as we get towards the top. And I've got my buddy Chet, fan favorite, driving the D6N, pushing mud to me. And I've built a little area with a wall around it to hopefully contain and hold this mud where it can lay for a couple years and then dry. We'll come back and level it out and the pond will just have a really long back slope. But for now, it's just one big stinky pile of mud. The dam's real soft, and my track keeps sinking in as I'm scooping. I have to keep putting clay under my tracks to build myself back up. Once we get down to hard ground, then see, that's why the cat's able to traverse around in the bottom of the pond. He drives up the bank, as you see. He pushes down some and then he can bring it across the bottom where we move the mud. Yes, I should tell you I'm driving a 330 next generation cat excavator. This is the start of year 2 on it, and right now I've got 2,410 hours on it. Been running it a little bit. This mud ain't really giving up. It's about 4 feet deep still. I was expecting it to towards the top end of this pond to kind of fizzle out a little bit and only be a couple feet deep. What it is what it is. brush pile. It's really high. Put a little bit of straw and diesel fuel on it, and it took off like you wouldn't believe. It's been laying there. It's been laying there for about, this might be days 2 or 3. This was all woods. When it's done, it'll be about 20 feet deep and right at 20 and about 3 acres. I haven't lit that windrow yet over there. I'm getting ready to go over and work on it. And I'll call it a day. Well, that's what's left of a brush pile.